Would it be wrong to say you like me like wrong? Would it be wrong to say it is wrong? Then why were you sent to me? If you hearts full of passion, possibly, and amazing, and in love, it's a glory.